If you know me a bit, you know I don't like making recipe videos, but for this one I couldn't resist because it's getting hot. At least here I'm in the south of France. Summer is coming because this refreshing soup, or you can also call it smoothie, but salty, feels so good for my body, especially when it's hot outside. And I actually got inspired by this one here, this gazpacho box that I saw in a supermarket. Of course, I'm not recommending you to buy these boxes, but actually make it yourself. And all you really need is fresh vegetables, especially the red ones. So we've got some, which is red pepper. Then I've got a lot of cut up tomatoes. I will show you this. So this is 1 tomato and 1 pepper. And then I'm going to put in some garlic. I like garlic a lot, but you don't have to do it. I probably put in a lot, 1 or 2 cloves. And then I made cucumber juice this morning. So I actually going to add the pulp here from the cucumber juice. So we use all of the cucumber and some lemon. And if you like, you can put raw onion. What I do not do is I cook it. So this stuff is pasteurized. Otherwise it wouldn't be still drinkable after being in that box. Sometimes I put a little bit of Himalaya salt. And if I have it later in the day, so after midday, I put a teaspoon of native olive oil as well for the absorption, but that's totally optional. And then everything goes in here. Right? And that's it. So it's 1 cucumber, 1 tomato, 1 pepper, half to 1 lemon squeezed, as much onion as you want. I probably put like a quarter of this onion, and I put 2 garlic cloves, but that's up to you. I'm going to make it now and I'll show you the end result. Why this is so amazing? Because it cleanses your lymphatic system. It's deeply hydrating for your body and for your gut. You need deep hydration, especially if you're constipated, but also if you're dealing with chronic issues. The body is often constantly dehydrated, and it doesn't go away by just drinking water, but you need this alive fruit water that comes from things like peppers. And of course, you can also put a fresh cucumber and not my mush in there. And then you have high vitamin C content, all these phytochemicals that protect you from the viruses, bacteria, sun, supporting your immune system. I challenge you to just try it out. Do it maybe during mid-morning or as a lunch. I personally would not drink this for breakfast, but it's definitely healthy, so you could if you like. And one important thing before you drink it or eat it, I'll tell you once I made the juice. So here we have gazpacho a la Peggy. You can call it whatever you want. While it might not look the best, it really tastes good. I didn't put the whole cucumber, which has more water, but I actually expressed the juice first and drank that in the morning. So if you put the whole cucumber, it has way more liquid. And you can also add a little bit of water if you want. Now, when you eat it or drink it, the important thing is to not just chuck it down, but you actually want to absorb it in the mouth, because that's where the digestion starts. So really take your time and chew this salty smoothie. If you want to make it a bit more spicy, you can also add some chili powder. Of course, right now, look at me, I'm not needing more heat. So I'll just eat it like that as a lunch, even as a light dinner to support your digestion. And if you want to watch more recipe videos, I'm actually going to link you my playlist for all the recipes that I did. And if you want 6 simple tips to get started with your digestion right now, start with the gut healing cheat sheet, which is for free and you can download it on my website.